If you're worried about privacy and you want to host your own media plus have a system where you can stream it, well, this is a solution for you. It's called a Jellyfin, and it's an open source system that's free to use to install on a BPS. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to install Jellyfin, which is this one right here. Now you can go ahead and see it in action right now to test it out and test drive it if it's the right fit for you. But it's a platform where you can upload your media, your music, and stream it straight from here. For example, if I want to view a movie, I can go ahead and select it from here. I can play it and it'll stream it straight from here. Check this out. This is actually streaming, and there's several available options. There's favorite, you can skip, you can play, you can pause it, you can change the volume. You have settings for this, for the aspect ratio, the playback speed, the quality, repeat mode, the playback information. You can create users. So if you want to create a user that's kid friendly, that is possible too. So you upload all the media for the general users, but you can create a user for kids and they have access to certain media. You got suggestions, you got favorites, you got collections, you got genre, and all that available here. Now this is my Jellyfin, and I already created this with a demo setup. So I've already added here some demo media just to give you a test drive of how this actually works. This is actually working on the BPS. Now, how do you install this? I'll show you in a bit. Let me show the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a BPS to install Jellyfin, this is a great option. It's a one-click install, so it's super easy to implement. Go ahead and jump over to the link in the description, go to hosting, click on BPS hosting, and select the best plan that's going to fit your needs. I recommend KBM2 because it has that balance of good pricing and good limits. So you get 2 CPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, and 100 GB of NVMe storage. So go ahead and select this plan right now because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code to drop the price even more. Now, the first thing you need to do here is select the amount of months you want to lock in the price for. I recommend 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 2 years. Now, go ahead and click on have a coupon code and type in or paste in my code and apply it. And the price is going to drop to $204.98. That's for the 2 years paid off. So I highly recommend that you use my coupon code. Don't forget to choose the location that's going to be closest to where you're going to stream this and the installation app. Go ahead and select Plain OS, Ubuntu, and install Docker inside of there. Now let's go ahead and jump over to my Hostinger hPanel, where I'm going to show you how to install the Jellyfin system. Now go ahead and jump over to BPS, the one that you just grabbed and selected. Go ahead and manage it and select Docker Manager. If you didn't install Docker, go ahead and install it right now. Next thing you need to do is go to Compose, go to one-click deploy, and then one-click deploy, we're going to search for Jellyfin. And it's right here. Go ahead and select it, deploy, and that's going to kick off the installation to install Jellyfin. It's as easy as that. When you first start, it's going to ask you to set up your username and password, and you're good to go to start using. This is my Jellyfin. So right now I am located in the main admin section, and I can go ahead and select dashboard administration here, and I have all the available tools to fine tune this to my own needs. So my general settings, the branding to customize it to have my own branding, the users, as I mentioned, you can create different users for different cases, and I'll log out in a bit and log back in to show you how a different user would view the information and just to show you how these would work. You got libraries, you got playback options, your devices, the activity, the live TV, a DVR, plugins that you can plug in from here. So several of these available that you can install. The network options, the API keys. API key is fantastic. Now in this case, I'll delete that key because I don't want you to copy it. But the cool thing about the API key is that, for example, I asked AI to take care of this for me. So I wanted to create the libraries for me, create the thumbnails, create a few videos for me, and it did it all for me straight from the API key. So it saves me a ton of time. So if you want to do the same, I highly recommend that you do so too. So just provide the API key and the link to your domain and you'll be good to go. You'll see here, this is really detailed. It's really powerful. It's kind of like your Netflix inside of your BPS with your own collection. So I highly recommend it. Now let me go ahead and log out right now just to show you how a different profile would log in. In this case, let me log into this user right here. Let's go ahead and sign in. And now I am signed in as Alex. See here, this is Alex. I don't have the options as the administrator does. So right now I am located as a user, so I have different available options. I can still view the movies because I do have access to that. And it's easy and practical. So all the available options, but without the administrator options because you don't want to provide that to the other users. So it's easy and practical to host your own media and stream it using Jellyfin, which is free to use. All you have to do is pay for the BPS. And the cool part about this is that you can install multiple applications in the BPS and start using it. Here's my new installation. Let's go ahead and open this up just to give you an idea how it's going to kick off. I need to set up my server name and my preferred language. Go ahead and continue through the server because this is a brand new setup. But it's easy and practical. It's a step-by-step option guide that you have to continue, and you'll have a setup just like I do. Like I said, if you want to check them out, go ahead and check out their landing page so you see how it actually works. And if you like it, go ahead and install it on the BPS. Don't forget to grab that hosting or BPS and use my coupon code. And that's a wrap.